Hello, today I'm going to make the Chinese fried tomato egg, okay? Okay, let's start. First step, you cut the tomato into 8 pieces. So we have finished the first step, cutting 3 tomatoes into 24 pieces. So now we finished the first step. We cut the 3 tomatoes into 24 pieces. And then now we will start the second step. We break the egg and mix it. I almost did a mistake and I put the egg into here. Okay, so we finished the second step, breaking the egg and put it to the bowl. Okay, wash hand time. Let's continue the second step, mixing. So now we finished the second step and we will start the third step. I accidentally add a new prop. Okay, so let's start. So 2 medium spoon of oil. And 1 more medium spoon. Okay, third step complete. So now we will start the fourth step. Put the egg inside carefully. Okay. Okay, so now finish. So we finished the fourth step. Okay, so now we'll continue the fifth step. Okay, put the tomato inside. And then, next step, we put inside the egg that we had cut. Okay. Okay, so it's finished. It looks so yummy.